steps on the roof and instantly destroys it. I hope he's okay. The concrete suddenly bursts out like an explosion. That scared everyone. Tried cleaning the bucket, but washed his face instead. Instant water park. It barely touched the ground and cracked. He looks completely devastated. A rock falls right next to him. 1 second later, that's a tragedy. The pressure launches him right into the mud. That laundry will be tough. Why fall with the railing? He stayed committed to the very end.